Good day, I'm Stacey Ann Smith, and this is your JIS News for Tuesday, February 3. The Kingston and St. Andrew Corporation, KSAC, has launched a $2 million economic development program for persons in the 18 to 29 age group. Dubbed the Enterprise Assistance Program, the initiative is aimed at growing businesses within the city. Beneficiaries will get financial assistance, training, mentorship, and technical support. Under the program, businesses will be eligible for three types of grants: wage incentive grants of up to $130,000, business improvement grants of up to $100,000, and startup grants of up to $50,000. At the official launch on Monday, State Minister in the Ministry of Local Government and Community Development, Colin Fagan, said the initiative would help to strengthen small businesses.
It is also a known fact that entrepreneurs at the micro, small and medium enterprise level have a history of innovation and credit readiness, which makes the development of the sector even more worthwhile.
Industry Minister Anthony Hilton has welcomed Toyota Jamaica's $400 million investment in a new branch in the corporate area. The company recently broke ground for the new 26,000 square foot facility at 91A Old Hope Road in St. Andrew. The project is expected to be completed within a year.
This investment should be being made now in Jamaica. I think supports and underpins the point that is being made about the growing confidence of investors in the Jamaican economy and the opportunity for Jamaica to grow its economy through foreign direct investment.
100 jobs will be created during the construction phase, while another 40 persons will be employed when the branch opens in 2016. The Old Hope Road branch of Toyota Jamaica will be the third for the company. The others are located in St. James and on Spanish Town Road in St. Andrew. Government is working to make students more financially literate through a program designed for students in grades 4 to 7. The initiative, dubbed Taking Charge of the Financial Future of Youth in Jamaica, is being implemented by the Education Ministry and Money Basics for Kids Limited. It seeks to introduce children to proper money management skills. Education Minister Reverend Ronald Thwaite says the program complements the Junior Achievement Initiative that exposes primary school students to business practices.
The ministry hopes that the infusion of financial information into the school curriculum will redound to the personal benefit of students and teachers alike. You can infuse the basics of money literacy, financial literacy, money management into every single subject.
The program will be integrated into the curricula of several subject areas, including mathematics, language arts, social studies, entrepreneurship, and career education. The project will initially begin in 8 schools and is being sponsored by First Global Bank. Government continues to improve customer service in public offices and is giving the public a chance to pick the entities that have been serving them well. Members of the public can cast their vote in this year's public sector customer service competition. Modernization specialist at the Office of the Cabinet, Michelle Gordon-Somers, says the competition has helped to enhance service delivery at public sector entities.
Organizations are involved in business process improvement as a way of ensuring that transaction times are reduced for customers. Many organizations have improved in terms of the use of technology in improving service quality and improving access for customers as well.
Mrs. Gordon-Somers was speaking at a recent JIS think tank session. She said the public may vote for the public sector agency of their choice at various government entities by using the public sector customer service entry form. Voting can also be done online at cabinet.gov.jm or by calling 1-888-991-2752. The deadline for voting is March 31. And finally, firefighters have been lauded for their commitment to excellence in the fire service. The commendation came from Acting Permanent Secretary in the Ministry of Local Government and Community Development, Dion Jennings, who spoke on behalf of State Minister Colin Fagan.
We are indeed grateful to you for your service, your level of commitment, your dedication, and your devotion. And you have played a significant role in serving the citizens of Jamaica by protecting them from disasters.
Ms. Jennings was speaking at a function to honor Corporal J. Scott, the Firefighter of the Year, based at the Kingston and St. Andrew Fire Prevention Division. He received a trophy and a cash prize of $150,000, courtesy of WorldNet Investment Company Limited. Second place went to Sergeant Tyrone Llewellyn of the St. Ann Division, while Jerome Archibald of the Manchester Division copped third prize. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Stacey Ann Smith. Thank you for watching.